What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make a wax canvas box bag. It's pretty simple and it's pretty fun. So to begin with, we got to make sure we cut out the dimensions that we're doing. So I like to do a 14.5 inch wide by 19 inches long design. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and I sure do that as well. But for this one, that's the dimension I'm going to go with. So basically, I'm just cutting those dimensions, making sure I'm straight as possible, and get right into it. So right here, I have to make the wax canvas. So I'm using a mixture of beeswax and paraffin wax, which you can buy at your local Walmart or grocery stores or even, I'm sure, Amazon. I like to do a 50-50 split between the two, and that's the mixture I like to do, and it turns out really well. The next step in the process is going ahead and laying that wax on that canvas. So I like to do even strokes with the brush, make sure all that surface contact is applied properly, not too much, but not too little as well, because we want to make sure every fiber of canvas gets wax. So I'm going to hit that with a heat gun. You can use a hair dryer, which would probably take a little longer. I've seen people use irons, but I like to hit this with a heat gun I got from Harbor Freight, like 15 bucks. Make sure all that canvas gets soaked through and it gets pretty dry in the process as well. And I like to hit it on the back as well. You can see a crinkle down the line. That's okay. It will come out pretty thin, as you can see. So right here, I'm going ahead and starting my my sewing lines. I'm getting that zipper on there, and the next thing I'll do is go ahead and get the back on there as well for the lining. So as you can see, I have the lining put on and the zipper on the other side. It's the same process, just on both sides. So right here, I'm making sure that all the sides are proper length so I can go ahead and get my corners ready to go. So basically, I'm just outlining a square about 1 inch by 1 inch, 2 inch by 2 inch. It's up to you how big and how tall that you want your box to be. I have a template that I like to use, and right here I'm starting those cuts. It might be intimidating at first to start cutting your material, but the more you practice, the easier it gets. So right here I have that bag ready to go. I have the corners sewed up, and I'm just go ahead and flip it inside out and take a look at the product. I forgot to mention that I did sew on belts on the inside and loops, but you'll be able to see that when I take it inside out. So right here, this is a finished product. It came out really well, and I'm pretty pleased with this one too. I got all the sides the way I wanted to. I got the zipper on pretty good, and my line's pretty straight as well. Overall, it was pretty good. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you want to follow and want me to do a step-by-step on how exactly I make these bags, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. See you on the next one, guys.